Imagine this. Every bite, every breath fills your body with something invisible, something that doesn't belong. Welcome to your new reality. Your body is full of plastic, specifically microplastic. I'm going to show you how this happens and what you can do about it. Stay tuned, because this is more important than you think. Hello, conscious creators. Matthias Lenardt here. Today we're talking about a topic. It's uncomfortable, but absolutely crucial. Microplastic in humans. Don't worry, this won't be a panic video, but an enlightenment. A plan for you, for your energy, for your health. Because as the new generation of mental trainers, we don't just need to understand our minds, but also our bodies and protect them. Ready for the truth? So, what is microplastic? Imagine this. All the plastic we produce, bottles, bags, packaging, it breaks down into smaller and smaller pieces. Tiny particles, smaller than a grain of rice, often invisible to the naked eye. That's microplastic. It's everywhere. In our oceans, in our soil, in the air, and yes, also inside you. How does this invisible enemy get inside us? There are three main routes. The first, you breathe it in the air, in the dust, in your home. Tiny plastic particles float around from clothes, from furniture, from tire abrasion. You breathe them in every day. The second way, you drink it from plastic bottles, which release tiny particles, or from tap water that comes from plastic pipes, or through treatment process. And the third way, you eat it through seafood, which absorb microplastics from the ocean, but also through fruits and vegetables. They grow in contaminated soil, or from plastic packaging. This is no longer science fiction. This is your everyday reality. And now comes the mini wow moment. Where does this plastic end up? Scientists are finding it everywhere. In your blood, it's floating in your veins. From there, it can spread throughout the body. They find it in your lungs. Obvious, if you breathe it in, they find it in your liver, your kidneys, your heart, even in the brain, a place we thought was so protected. But perhaps the most surprising, they find it in the placenta of unborn babies. It reaches the next generation, even before they see the light of day. And the quantity? It's increasing dramatically. In the last 10 years, the burden in some organs has significantly risen. We're not talking about traces here, but about measurable amounts. So what does this mean for our health? Research is still in its early stages, but there are initial indications of inflammations, of cell damage, or hormonal disruptions, even possible neurological effects. It's like an uninvited guest who settles in your house and damages the furniture without you immediately noticing. The realization is here. The threat is real. But what can we do now? Don't panic. That's not your style, and not mine either. We are conscious creators. We act consciously. Here are concrete steps how you can protect yourself, or at least reduce the burden. This isn't fighting a losing battle, but a conscious decision for you, for your future. Number 1, you're drinking water. Avoid plastic bottles, especially if they've been in the sun. The plastic releases particles. Switch to glass bottles or stainless steel water bottle. Filter your tap water. Simple filters can make a big difference. A small step with a big impact. Second, your food and its packaging. Reduce plastic in your kitchen. Avoid heating food in plastic containers in the microwave. Heat releases particles. Use glass containers or ceramic. Give up plastic cling film. There are alternatives made from beeswax or silicone. Buy fruits and vegetables unpacked as often as possible. Every plastic bag you don't take counts. Third, your clothes and your home. Many of our clothes are made of synthetic fibers. Polyester, acrylic, nylon. When washed, they release microfibers, which end up in wastewater and in the environment. Choose more natural fibers, cotton, wool, linen. If you wash synthetics, use special laundry bags that catch fibers. And at home, ventilate regularly. Vacuum with a HEPA filter to remove plastic particles from the air. Fourth, cosmetics and personal care. Many scrubs and shower gels contain microplastic as tiny beads. Read the ingredients. Choose products without polyethylene, PE, without polypropylene, PP, and without nylon. Be a conscious consumer. The most important thing is awareness. You can't control everything, but you can reduce the burden through small daily decisions. This is the truth. Uncomfortable, yes, but also incredibly empowering, because knowledge is power. And with this knowledge, you can act. You are the catalyst for your own health, for your own energy. Your body is your temple. Protect it from invisible threats. Live consciously, make smart choices, and show the world what it means to be a conscious creator. What are your experiences? What are you already doing? Share it in the comments. Let's collectively advance this important topic. Until the next time, stay conscious. And here are more good videos in my archive.